Top of that morning, top of that morning, top of that morning. Rise and grind. Wake up and smell the coffee. You know what time it is. It's go time. You already know the vibe. You already know what it is. Oh, yeah. You gotta have that 2020 vision, kid. 2020 vision. Eyes on the prize. Before you go about your day to day, look in the mirror, stare, and say, you're the future. You're the child, the chief, the chosen one. It's time to chase my dreams. Look up. Get to get a shot. Get to get a chance. Oh, go get what's yours. Stay on your mission.
Stay on your mish. I think that's the moral story today. Absolutely. That's the biggest moral story that we could ever have. Now, today, we'll be trying some new stuff. My voice is a lot deeper, so I'm going to be taking advantage of that. I feel horrible. I might be coughing a lot this stream, but that's because we got the old scarlet rot, got the COVID. But that won't stop us. Absolutely. Absolutely not. So today we're gonna be trying something new, of course. We're gonna be trying to stream on Kick, YouTube, and Twitch all at the same time. And yes, it is going to be quite the challenge. And for some reason, it seems like it's not working. So that's we're off to a great start. It seems like it might be working on Twitch, so I'm gonna be checking might be that. Working on Twitch. So yep, so it is working on Twitch, so that's good. Now I will be checking YouTube. I think maybe Kick is the only place it's not working. Yeah, it's working on YouTube. I think maybe so that's nice. Kick is the only place it's not working. Okay, cool, fun, great stuff, great stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure all this out, but as of right now, it seems like we're doing some business. Today we'll be doing some actual coding for once. Of course, we'll be sprinkling some memes in here for sure. But first we have to let Twitter know what we're up to. We gotta let them know. We might be editing some memes, so we'll see how it is. But I definitely got to do a post. First of all, first order of business. Saturn has a hexagon, so we're gonna talk about that. Big tech news. Absolutely, big tech news. It's life changing. But yeah, first we're gonna put that clip of us doing that chant at the start. So we got to do that. We gotta let people know that we're doing that. Yeah. So I think Kick's not working, but YouTube is, or just Kick's bugged. But no, it's not bugged. I see. Okay, we'll see. Let's post this. Screenshot movies. I think this is the one. Quick look.
Good morning.
All right, just gotta make sure I didn't leak any creds. Nice. We started stream today, basically. That's so good. Rise and grind. Rise. How do I even say the way he said rise? Like, rise, rise and grind. Rise and grind. This is gonna be so cringe, but it's gonna be so good. Let me make sure I put the Twitch link for this. Put that, and then also the YouTube link. Uh, uh, I forget the emoji for like the like a red circle. There we go. We live. Yeah. Rise and grab. We kinda. I don't like yelling at people and just saying we're live. So we're gonna say we kinda live right now. We kind of. We're kind of live. Oh, that YouTube link is wrong, I think. No, it seems like it's right. If it'll post, of course. Some of your feed media. Yeah, maybe we just do 720. I wonder if like resolution is better, like having lower resolution is better um for the algorithm on Twitch specifically. Oh, of course. Of course Windows is broken. Thank God I'm streaming from my Mac. Windows just RIP'd. Control Alt Delete. I haven't had to do that in a while, but here we are. Uh, I should probably just check. Some media failed to upload. Can I try again? Interesting. Yeah, my Windows just failed on me. I was just using it for chat, but thank God I wasn't using it for anything useful or anything coding related. But you know what? Windows is gonna be Windows. Uh, it will take a while to edit, upload longer videos. Why is Twitch broken? Okay, I post this now. Should work this time. Sometimes I like to look at the just the browser logs just to see is it an error? Failed to load resource. Very nice. At least let me copy what's inside here so I don't have to write it again. Thank you. I might just restart this. Did it not post? Let's see. Gotta do a little reload. We're doing a reload. Dude, nothing's happening when I reload. Oh, because my keyboard isn't connected. There we go. Try that one more time. Let's try that one more time. Nothing changed. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna try posting this one more time, and I think we should be good. Should be good. Let's get some music going. Uh, this is like my rock stuff, but maybe we put a little house. Get a little of that in there. Uh, yeah, I don't know how hype of a stream is gonna be. That's probably a little way too loud. So sorry. That's way too loud. That was way too loud. Sorry. But yeah, we'll we're doing some crazy stuff, of course. We're doing some actual coding for once. That's new for us. Usually we like to make memes. We're going to be making memes, but as the night goes on, we'll sprinkle memes in as we code, so we get a good kind of balance. Last time I think we were editing a little too much, so um, yeah, sometimes you can get a little too editing focused, and then you're more of like just a come watch me edit, like almost like a filmmaker more than you are a coder. So had to let me people know how we started the stream tonight. Rise and grind. And then yeah, I forget that emoji. Let's use a little red circle. We kind of live. Just a little. And then of course we'll put the video in there. I think it was a good intro. I probably want to do this like on every stream, to be fair. And if you missed it, I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, hope everybody's night's doing good. We got people on YouTube, people on Twitch. We're also streaming on Kick, but it seemed like it failed. So I think we're offline there now. But we'll figure that out. We'll figure it out. Copy link. Does this work? Thank you. Twitter, I still feel like a noob when it comes to Twitter. And then post all. and just please post. There we go. Okay, this is a good song. Yeah. Let me do a quick preview stream. Just make sure the audio is good for everybody. You know what? I think the music wasn't even loud enough. There we go. Let me pause that. I can probably lift it up a little. My bad. It's just not letting me upload this. Oh my god, I hate Twitter. Okay, that's fun. And I can't even save it as a draft. I can't save it as a draft. Why can't I? I'm sorry, that doesn't make any sense. Just let me post it. And if you don't want me to post it, then at the very least, let me save it as a draft. Ah, what a platform. We gotta build a better Twitter. I think that's what we should do, folks. I have a couple ideas for the stream. One was to do some Lucia v3. So they came up with a v3 quite recently. I want to see the actual like article. I think he released announcing Lucia 3. Let me see if they have a nice article. I haven't used it with next.js specifically, but more like Express. And is this Elden Ring? What the heck? There we go. So yeah. So I haven't used this explicitly with next.js, but it's definitely interesting. And there was a really interesting discussion, and I haven't seen this. Supabase is no longer supported. I mean, why would you? I mean, there was a question where it's like, I want to see if I could find it, but he was like basically asking like, what do you guys want? Like, he just looked at his people and he's just like, yeah, what do you guys want? And I was very curious. I'm like, it's not, you don't see that a lot of times where just open source maintainers are just like asking like, it's like, what's going on with you guys? Like, you guys are putting all these questions. Like, what do you guys want to do? Sorry, let me just answer this real quick. You know, I'm thinking maybe we do a little gaming tonight because my Elden Ring stuff's been popping off. Maybe we do some like a little gaming stream. Not sure. I'm thinking about it. But yeah, I wanted to look at the. I wish I could. Can I sort by latest activity, top all? Yes. Okay. This was what it was. This was done like almost like 3-4 months ago. I can't do math. Yeah, he was just asking like, there's a disconnect of what he wants out of Lucia and what the community wants. He initially made this as a like, auth is hard, so I'm gonna make it simple for people. And what the community wanted is, hi, I have a use case, make it fit my use case. Also, I don't care about anyone else's use cases. And that's usually how these open source kind of discussions happen. You know, like you have a bunch of people that want to like, hey, we like, I have a weird request from a user. I'm using some weird, like, yeah, everybody's project is different, right? And people understand that. And the problem with auth is, if you're making an auth library, you have to fit everybody's use case, still make it secure. And sometimes you just gotta, like, the nice thing about these like auth providers that are like paid for is like, hey, you're paying us, we're handling the logic. Here, you don't have that luxury. Like, if you have people paying for your auth, you're saying, okay, you're gonna pay for me, I'm gonna, it's my way or the highway, basically. You know what I mean? So that's a little. So here he doesn't have that too much of a luxury, but I feel like here, like I think he did the right thing. Like, hey, like let me just hear what you guys want, and let's find a middle ground, because he can't, like, it's really easy for him because he's like, I mean, it's actually really hard. Not, I'm sorry, not easy. Like, he can't just say like, do it yourself, right? Because he's one of the lead maintainers. Like, he's kind of doing the directions, but like he also can't just accept every MR out there, like PR to like just fix. Um, it's better to just have a flow that works with Lucia, but like people understand that like they have to adapt to Lucia, not make Lucia adapt to them. And a free open source solution, this shouldn't serve people. People should serve this. It's not like Clerk. It's not like Auth0. This is a library. This runs on your own machine. I think my gain's too high. So people need to understand that. I think that's kind of the biggest disconnect here. And I hope people start to understand that sometime soon. And yeah, that's kind of my Lucia take. But yeah, my goal is to kind of use this a little more. This is gonna fail again. I just know it. I'm gonna try one more time. If it doesn't work, it's not working. Very fun. So my thing is, just want to make a nice backend with some auth on it, and I was hoping to get like a nice Lucia. I want to get a nice like example. V3. Did he add like an example? I just want like an example repo I could skim through. With Alicia, that's nice. You know, Alicia and Lucia, that rhymes. That would kind of go well nicely together. It wouldn't just be middleware. Examples. Probably have to go to their GitHub. Okay, let's see. Solid start next. Probably have to go with the express one. Let's see exactly what they add. So index.js. Okay, so we got some middleware going. One is for the headers. What's this? Verify request origin. What does that mean? Where do I find that? This is verifying session tokens. Oh, nice. There's one for Lucia. I mean, Alicia. So, oh, we would use a derive. Okay, I like this. This is very nice. If this works how I think it is, this is gonna be so easy. But there's no guarantee, of course. But let's try it. I'm gonna try it. Alright. I think we are gonna do some gaming. Just boot it up the PC. Might have to restart the stream. Okay. I might want to rename this to like Cindy, Alicia. The heck? Oh wait, there. Lol. Okay, and then yeah, so we have this like. Why do I keep doing this? Okay, so we get Alicia going here. So basically, I might want to do like, we're gonna do this derive, but the thing is like, where do I put that? That's the question. All right. So I need to set up the stream on my Windows computer. So once I do that, I'll restart the stream. So it should take like 5 minutes or so. So I'll be back. All right. This was kind of an impromptu stream, kind of a test stream. So it seems like so far we're doing good. So I'll let you guys know how that goes. Hopefully should be back in a few. See ya.